In today's video, I'm going to show you a complete beginner's guide of Synthflow. I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips, tricks, and hidden features, allowing you to leave this video as a Synthflow expert. Let's go ahead and dive into today's sponsored video, Synthflow. Synthflow is an incredible tool that uses AI technology that allows you to create kind of like a chat bot that interacts with your customers, collects information, and converts more leads. It's really easy to set up, and I'm going to show you how you can set up an assistant and use it for your business today. It integrates with the most popular tools like Zapier and Cal. It's great for setting up appointments or collecting information that you'll need in the future. So you can see here that you can have a true conversational AI, you can have a path to success, and it allows you to create an AI agent, push it live, and then anyone that calls that phone number or interacts with your agent will be able to give more information for you to collect, and then it can send it to you in your dashboard. So it connects with a ton of things. It has over 100 integrations, as we can see. If we're to zoom in here, we see it connects with Stripe, Zapier, Bubble, Maker, Cal, HubSpot, Twilio, and more. So really cool piece of software right here that uses AI-powered technology to create a voice assistant. And all you have to do to get started is click on the link in the description below and head over to Synthflow. And then you can go ahead and sign up for your free trial. I'm going to go ahead and start my free trial here and show you how you can sign up for a Synthflow account and get started and create an AI agent within 10 minutes. It doesn't take that long at all, and you can customize it to your specific needs. So this is the create account process right here. You can come over and type in your email address. I can type in my email address right here, and then we can come up and type in a password. It needs to be at least 5 characters and 1 number. So I'll go ahead and type that in, and then you can hit continue with email. Now, if you have Google, you can authenticate with Google and sign in with your Google account. But for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to sign in with my email address and create a password. And then I'm going to press this continue with email button to move forward with creating my Synthflow account. Once you press that, it wants you to verify your email address. So now it wants you to tell yourself, it says, tell us a little bit about yourself. So how many phone calls do you expect to make or receive a month? So if you've got less than 5 minutes, you can go ahead and select that. Or if you're doing 5 to 10 minutes of phone calls, or if you're going to do, even more than that, you just select whichever one, depending on how many people you think will call this AI agent to give you more information for your business. You'll go ahead and select how long you think they will be on the phone call for. So I'll go ahead and say less than 5 minutes here, and then we'll go ahead and hit the next step. And now it has a little demo video. You can go ahead and watch this, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can get set up. So you can either watch it or you can skip along in this video to see the best practices for getting set up with Synthflow. So I'm going to go ahead and say go to home page. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to give you a quick tour of Synthflow. So on the left, you have a sidebar. If we zoom in, you can see all of the different options that we've got on the sidebar. You've got your assistants, where all of your assistants that you create, you can have more than one assistant. You can have one assistant for a car dealership. You can have one assistant for collecting reservations or service appointments, and then a different assistant for scheduling appointments to buy a car. So you can have all types of assistants. Each assistant can have its own description of what it does, and we'll demo what that looks like to create an assistant shortly. You can have a knowledge base. Now the knowledge base is really cool. Say you have, a company playbook or some product documentation about what you do at your company is. If you have a whole guide to how to sell cars and you're going to create an AI assistant that sells cars or books service appointments, you can upload your knowledge base of all of your company procedures and all of your ways that you do things to the knowledge base, and then your AI assistant will have complete access to the knowledge base. So if your customer asks you a question about a specific thing, it'll be able to reference everything that you already do because you would have uploaded it in your knowledge base. A really cool feature that they baked right here into Synthflow. They've got actions, so you can send an SMS, real-time booking, call transfer, information extractor, and custom actions. You can have different workflows. So for workflows, you'll need to get started on the 14-day trial in order to get started with that, but you can connect over 100 various apps. So when people call you, it sends data from that call to other various applications. And then another cool feature is they have contacts. You can import your current contacts so you can keep track, say you know that you have a current client that calls you every week at this time. You can import their contact information and track those calls. You've got phone numbers. Now you do have to purchase a phone number in order to work with Synthflow. And then you can also add address and have verified caller IDs. And then the last part they've got is integrations, where you can take that journey to the next level with add-ons and integrations. Here you can see all their integrations. They've got Twilio, 11 Labs, Zapier, Go High Level, Stripe, OpenAI, HubSpot, Cal.com, Azure, and Bubble, Make, and N8N. So a lot of different options that they've got here. Now Synthflow does allow you to have an agency plan, which means that say you want to sell this product to other people, then you can do exactly that. You can create an agency account and then sell AI chatbots and AI assistants to other people on a white label platform. That means you can put your own logo up here and name it to mycompany.com or My Company Incorporated and sell a version of Synthflow technology to other people. So that's the agency section they've got here. Of course, you've got your settings where you can do general, members, plan and billing, login credentials, and more. And then you've got things like documentation to learn how to use it at the very bottom. If I zoom into, this is what I'm looking at the bottom left. You've got documentation and more little buttons right here. So you can click on various things to learn more. You can get started, join the academy, and more. So that is a brief overview of what it looks like when you join Synthflow. It's very simple. You create a username and a password, and you get access to all of these great features. Now, in order to access the AI component, you will need to go down into your sidebar and request some free minutes. Now, you can do that by leaving a review and sending a screenshot to contact@synthflow.ai, and you can earn an additional 50 free minutes in order to talk to your AI. Now, we have reviewed the sidebar. We've successfully set up an account. So we've seen all of the features right here within Synthflow. Now let's go ahead and take action and create a widget which will allow us to talk to an AI based off the knowledge information that we've provided and the knowledge base and also the prompts. Now, in order to create an AI, all you have to do is just press this Start from Scratch button right here. Now, you'll need to be on the Assistance page in the top left. So underneath the sidebar here, you'll click Assistance, and then you will go ahead and click Start from Scratch, and up will pop up this outbound, inbound, and widget screen. We're going to go ahead and select a widget, which will allow us to easily embed this AI anywhere within our application. So we'll go ahead and press widget just like that. It'll load up, and then without further ado, we're able to go ahead and start configuring our widget. I'm going to go ahead and name this the real estate assistant, because it'll help us book more real estate clients and hopefully get more contacts scheduling a tour with us or scheduling to meet with us. You can adjust the time zone. So we're here in the US, so I can go ahead and select the US time zone. You've got the Synthflow AI voice model. You can also change this to OpenAI's real-time voice. And then you can change the sphere or the visualization type here, the visualizer. If we go up to the top left in the sidebar and we click Test Assistant, you'll see this is what the Test Assistant widget looks like. You've got the name of the assistant right here. It says that it's available, and you can press the Start Call button to test it out. Now, say we want to modify the look of this. Then we can come over here to the settings where it says under Visualizer, the color. So we can change the color if we want. We can slide it around. We can go ahead and move it over to black. And now that we've put it to black, when we click Test Assistant and we embed this into our application, now the visualizer is black instead of green. So you can come in here and modify those colors. If we want to move it back, we can move it back over to green here and find a green that works best for us. And then it will instantly update just like that. So we'll go ahead and close out. We'll test out this assistant later once we've added some additional information. We can move over to a dark mode. We can see what that looks like. Right now, the style is for dark mode and light mode. You can change the background color, the button background color, and more. You can make this assistant look just like yours. And then you can even add stuff to the knowledge base, which is really important. If you have a company and you have guidelines of how this company operates, you can add all of your PDF documents and all of your knowledge to the knowledge base, and your AI will be able to reference it if a customer asks you a question, or in this sense, if the customer asks the AI a question and it doesn't know the answer, it can review your knowledge base with all of the details of how your company operates and then provide the best response based off what it gathers. You can add custom vocabulary, filter words, and more. So really cool piece of software that they've embedded right here into the application. You can come down to the prompt. So the prompt's on the sidebar, and we can get a background of how this works. So it's got a sample inbound support call script right here with Prime Estate Solutions. The introduction, the AI is Morgan. It's a dedicated customer support specialist at Prime Estate Solutions, focusing on assisting professionals, real estate professionals, and maximizing the benefits of their SaaS platform to enhance property management and sales efforts. We have things like target audience, value proposition, the difficulty in using the software, comparison with other tools, concerns about pricing, and more. And you can come in here and modify this prompt. In the top right, there's an edit prompt button. You just press that edit prompt button, and then you can go ahead and modify this prompt as needed. So say we want to come in here and add in a discount for AppFind viewers, and then we can add in an instruction here that says offer a free month to SaaS platform if viewer comes from watching AppFind video tutorial. So this is, of course, theoretical. Mention they get a month free if they watched the AppFind video tutorial. So we can come in here, we can type in some additional instructions right here. We can edit prompt, we can press save prompt in the top right. And now our prompt is saved. So we have some instructions. We modified this AI custom prompt right here. We added a discount for AppFind viewers at our theoretical customer support specialist Prime Estate Solutions platform here. We can come down to actions. You can add some actions if you want to tie in a custom action with other platforms. You'll need a phone number, which is not available right now. You can come down to deployment. If you're ready to push this off, you can select a plan starting at $30 a month or up to $450, $900, or $1,400 a month, depending on the size of how many calls you get and all the features that you want. And then once you do get a phone number, you can see all of your calls and all the details of that. So far we have customized the AI widget here. And we've got the prompt set up to offer us a discount, and it also has all these other details about Prime Estate Solutions. So let's go ahead and give it a call and see what it looks like. So we can press this big blue, or this is like a navy blue or dark test assistant button, and then our widget pops up, and we're able to go ahead and press start a call and see what it looks like. Connecting. Hello? All right, so we need to give it camera and microphone permissions.
Hey there, how can I assist you?
I'm calling to learn more about your business.
Great, thanks for reaching out. Prime Estate Solutions offers a suite of tools designed to help real estate professionals manage property listings, client relationships, and transactions more efficiently. Is there something specific you're curious about?
What's the pricing for your platform?
Yes, I can hear you now. Our pricing model is designed to offer great value and return on investment. If you'd like detailed information, I can connect you with our sales team for an in-depth discussion. How does that sound?
I'd be down, but do I get a free month? I'm calling in from AppFind. I watched your video tutorial.
If you watched our video tutorial on AppFind, you're in luck. You get a free month on our SaaS platform.
Oh, sweet. How do I book a call?
I can help set that up for you. Could you please provide your email address so I can get the ball rolling?
Justin@appfind.com.
Got it, Justin. I'll arrange for our sales team to reach out to you soon.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome, Justin. Thanks for reaching out to Prime Estate Solutions. Have a fantastic day. Goodbye. You're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Great. So I can hit the X button right there and close out this. So just like that, I was able to test the prompt that we just set up. And if we go to the prompt, I added in that special discount for AppFind viewers, and I was able to get my month completely for free. And then the AI bot collected my email address so it can pass it off to other people. You can see this live call just happened. We can click on the details for that. And you can rate the assistant. You can look at the transcript, and then we can come in here and see hey, there's my email address, justin@appfind.com. And I was able to come in here and see the transcript of what this looks like for someone to talk to my AI assistant. A really cool feature that they've embedded right here. We can come over and get an analysis of what that looked like, the knowledge, the goals, the call summary. We can see any actions that were taking place. And of course, we can download this information. So really cool that our AI assistant here with Synthflow was able to collect my email address, offer me a free trial, and tell me a bit more information about what it looks like in order to create, a relationship with their business. And of course, we had the demo prompt here as a support call for a dedicated customer support specialist at Prime State Solutions. And when I opened up the call and said, what are you, or what's your business about? Tell me more about it. The AI assistant continued. It thought a little bit, and then it gave me a great description of what Prime Estate Solutions is. So this is how you can create your very own AI assistant using Synthflow. You can come in here, you can go up to the Create Assistant button if you've already made one, or click the Start from Scratch screen, and then you can go over to Widget, and you can embed this widget into your app directly and add all of the details here, and anything that you add to your knowledge base will also be referenced. If we want to click create, we can come over here and say 2025 goals, and then say this includes new info for 2025, and then you can create a knowledge base. You can come over here, you can add a description, you can add a blank document. We can say discount for AppFind viewers continued, and then we can add in all the details for this. So this knowledge base is searchable by all of your assistants. We can say they can redeem at appfind.ai, code appfind, and then we can click upload just like this. So I added that to the base right here. Another cool thing that we can do is we can add in, say we wanted to add in some information about Synthflow. We can come over here and add a blank document, and then we can come over here and name it Synthflow, and then say, people can sign up for Synthflow, and then we can add in our link, synthflow.ai, and then we can upload that to the knowledge base just like that. And then we can also come back and add, additional details as we need to. Say we want to add more information about Synthflow, we can add a blank document, and we can say, what is Synthflow? It's an incredible AI tool that lets you get more customers with a voice bot or chat bot. It syncs your information. So we can come over here, we can upload this, and then we can go back to our assistant. We can go over to our real estate assistant. We can try starting a call and seeing what this looks like, getting knowledge from.
Hey there, how can I assist you?
Can you tell me more about Synthflow, or the AI tool that helps out with the voice bot? What is that?
Ah, gotcha. Synthflow is an AI tool that helps create natural sounding voice interactions. It's designed to make conversations with bots feel more human-like and engaging. Is there something specific you're curious about?
And just like that, we're able to learn more about Synthflow. So really cool software that we have here. All right, so this has been a complete beginner's guide of Synthflow, where we've created our own AI widget, and from that have added prompts to it, allowed it to understand more about our discounts, and then talk to it and understand more about the technology that we're offering, in this case, Prime Estate Solutions. So you can create your very own AI assistant and use it to get more leads in your business. You can handle objections, you can handle scheduling phone calls, and then use the AI component. When someone calls up your number, they can talk to you, or if they're on your app, they can talk to your AI assistant, and you can get that transcript. You can see how they interact with the AI bot. You can collect information when they give your AI bot their email address. Then you can follow up with those leads. You can create actions and more. A really cool piece of software that you absolutely have to check out. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and let us know what your favorite Synthflow feature is in the comments below. And we can't wait to make the next technology video for you. If you're not subscribed, be sure to smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.